हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल जेके राइटर। फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम ऐसे ऑन रोड एक्सीडेंट्स करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। रोड एक्सीडेंट्स हैव बिकम वेरी कॉमन nowadays. With the increase in population, number of automobiles and modes of transport have also increased. People are careless and don't know the basic traffic rules and ultimately meet accidents which could have been avoided if they had followed traffic rules. People on the road need to be careful. Even those walking on the footpath are not safe due to increase in such accidents. Every day, people know about the accidents from the news, from relatives, and even with their own eyes, and still they show carelessness while being on the road. Once I was on my way back home from my college when I witnessed a road accident. I was with my friends and it was around 6 o'clock in the evening. In the middle of the road, we saw a crowd surrounding something. We were not quite sure what was happening over there. The first thought that came to our mind was that it was probably a quarrel between two men. However, when we reached the spot, we found out an accident had taken place. After that, we got to know the whole story. A man was crossing the road when a truck hit him, leaving him severely injured. The man was lying on the ground bleeding profusely and people were calling for an ambulance. We instantly called up the ambulance but time was running out. Therefore, we stopped a car and took the injured person to the hospital at once. Then we came to know that the police arrived at the accident spot. Some passers-by had already caught the truck driver and were beating him up. After the police came, they handed the truck driver over to the police. The police asked about the incident. He told the police that the brakes of the truck failed and he could not control his vehicle. The police detained him and went to the hospital for a statement. Fortunately, the injured person was declared out of danger. The doctors dressed his wounds and informed that he was still in shock. By this incident, I came to the conclusion that there are so many things which are under our control, and also there are some things which are not under our control. So let's do what we can do and leave the rest to God. With some effort, I am sure we can bring down the number of road accidents. Thanks for watching this video.